In this video, you'll witness a police officer face a situation so intense it feels like it's straight out of a Hollywood movie. But this is 100% real. What happens next will leave you speechless.
Hi ma'am, you have your driver's license registration with you?
Yes, sir, I do.
And the reason I'm pulling you over is because of that red light. And you almost caused an accident. Okay?
Okay.
Where y'all headed to?
Home. I'm so sorry. We were literally heading home.
Where are you coming from?
We were up at Applebee's.
Do you have the registration and the insurance as well?
Yes.
How much did you have to drink today?
We just started. No, we just got off work and
Okay, that's not it. That's your dental insurance and something else.
I'm sorry.
So you're saying you had nothing to drink today?
Registration.
Thank you, ma'am. You said you had nothing to drink today?
No, not that much.
Okay. And you're saying you guys had nothing to drink today at all?
I didn't say that. We literally just left Applebee's.
Okay. You're saying you guys just got started, just left Applebee's. She's saying she had nothing to drink today.
No, I didn't. I'm driving her home.
Okay.
I'm driving her home.
Okay. And then, but you keep grabbing some of the same paperwork over and over. You see where, like, my suspicions are otherwise right now? You see why I'm thinking otherwise? That's your title. I already told you that.
I get it, but...
Okay. All right. If it led to it, would you be willing to do some field sobriety exercises, ma'am?
No.
No? Okay. That's fine if you don't want to, but just understand I have to base my determination on my initial contact with you.
I understand that, of course.
Okay.
It's your job. I understand.
Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you, okay?
Another officer arrives and verifies whether the suspects have located the insurance documents.
Find your insurance?
What's up?
Were you able to find the insurance?
It's probably online. I have it online, though.
Okay, can we see that?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Yeah, you observed that she's intoxicated, correct?
Yes. She's already refusing to do FSCs.
Okay.
The red light's been red forever, and then she blows it, almost causes an accident.
Okay.
Stop her. She stops in the middle of the roadway, then turns here. While I'm talking to her, she's very slow and looking for her stuff, hands me her dental insurance card, then hands me her title, even though I told her already that title is not the registration.
Hey, can I help you? Hey, can you hop back in the car, please?
I can.
Did you find something you wanted to show?
Well, she's trying to do it, but, like, it's so stupid right now.
So I'm just going to talk to her over here.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you step out with me and just talk up here with me?
Sorry. You don't have to... Hey,
real quick.
You don't have to do that.
No, come over here.
Fine. I know it is. Why would you guys do that? It's not fair.
What's not fair?
You guys doing that?
He's walking up there to talk to her real quick. You can't find... Is this your car?
No, it's her car.
Oh, okay. But you have insurance on your phone?
She has her insurance on her phone.
Oh, okay. So is this her phone?
Yeah, it's her phone.
Okay.
So what's the reason I got pulled over for?
I told you when I first pulled up, you ran the red light, almost causing an accident. And then you had multiple vehicles honking the horn at you. You don't remember that?
No, I do.
Okay. You said you guys are coming from Applebee's?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you take any medication or anything today? You don't take any medication?
No.
Okay.
I work my ass off.
I believe you. I believe you. I don't doubt that. But, you know, I have some concerns. That's why I want to make sure you're not on any medications or anything like that. You see what I'm saying? Okay. And you said you had nothing to drink today, or did you have anything?
I drink a little bit.
Okay. What's a little bit?
You want to just have a seat back in the car then?
I guess.
But let me tell you, hey, if you holler out to her, you're interfering with an investigation, and you're going to go to jail
She
for
would have
that.
sat in the fucking car.
Well, he's got the right to ask her to get out of the car. So go ahead and have a seat in the car. Go ahead and have a seat. Watch your leg. Watch your leg.
I'm good.
We're going to close the door. Watch your
I
leg.
don't need to close
For my
the door.
safety and your safety, we're going to close.
I feel safer like this.
I understand. I'm closing the
Thank you.
door. You're interfering with my investigation. I'm closing the door. All right? Watch your foot. Watch your foot.
Like 1 beer, 2 beers?
I know my rights. So.
Yeah, I'm not violating any of your rights. You're invoking your rights then? Is that what you're saying? That you don't want to talk to me about anything?
No, I will. I'll be real with you. I just I can't.
You're confusing me on what you want to do here. Okay. Well, right now I still got to do my citations and all that stuff, so that's not going to happen right now.
I understand that.
Okay.
If I leave my car here, can I go home?
No, we can't do all that stuff. So what's going to happen is, do not pull away, please. Based on my observations, I do believe you're operating a motor vehicle under the influence.
Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Stay in the car.
She didn't do anything.
I told you to stay in the car. You were...
She didn't do anything.
Well, the thing is, you don't start charging up there towards them. Put your right hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. I'm going to ask you again. Put your hand behind your back.
Ma'am, walk this way, please. Walk this way. Let's go.
Can I get my phone?
We'll get that here. We'll get that here in a minute.
Oh,
can I get a female?
I need a female cop.
That's what I'm calling. That's what I'm calling.
I need a supervisor.
She's right there, and I'm calling a female right now. We're not doing this arguing thing, okay? I have done nothing to you, and I'm not violating any of that.
Don't fucking touch me. I need a female. I need a female officer. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. We'll wait for a female. Yeah, get a
Absolutely.
fucking pack.
That's common sense. Okay. All right. Let's go over here, please.
Don't touch me like that.
Okay. Do not.
You want to touch me like that?
Then you move when I tell you to move. All I'm doing is put my arm around your shoulder because you're not moving. Have a seat, please.
Don't touch her then.
Roll over, just like that. Roll over this way. Come on, I'm gonna help you out.
Why is she running from him?
I have no idea. I'm dealing with you.
Well,
Hold right here. You're not going where you want to go.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, you're gonna walk over here.
Wow, this is fucking stupid.
I'm gonna need another cage car.
Please have a seat.
Just let me hold a second, please.
Ma'am,
Sir.
it's better for you to have a seat right now.
No, I can't right now.
Okay,
I can't right now.
and why is
Just
that?
hold on for a second. I did nothing wrong.
Okay, well, I've already explained.
This is stupid.
Okay,
This
well,
is
have
like,
a seat.
I know my rights.
And that has nothing to do
Then
about
get your
violating your rights.
supervisor.
He's right there,
Where's your supervisor then?
dealing with your
I
friend.
do. Where's your supervisor? Do
Please have a
not
seat.
touch me. Get
No
your
one-
supervisor.
So stupid.
It really is.
It really
This
is.
type of behavior is very stupid.
Do not touch me, dude.
Have a seat.
Get your supervisor.
And you can stay right there. My supervisor's right there
Get
watching
your
everything.
supervisor. Do not touch me like that.
No one's touching
man.
you like anything.
Yes, you are. You're being
Stop.
mean to a
Stop
woman.
pushing and resisting.
Stop.
Stop.
You're pushing me.
Babe, relax. Relax, relax, relax. Babe! Oh my god. Like, this is so stupid.
Stop.
No one's
I
doing
don't
anything to you.
respect
No
fucking-
one's doing
I
anything
don't
to you.
respect people fucking touching people. How are you gonna touch somebody like that?
What are you waiting for?
Well, you wanted a female to pat you down, so we got a female coming.
I have nothing on me, so it doesn't matter.
We're gonna make sure.
Okay.
But you cannot touch a woman like that.
By your arms?
This is fucked up.
Okay.
But you need to let me go.
I don't need to let you go, ma'am. You're
Yes,
under
you
arrest.
do.
You're under arrest. No, I don't.
Hey, do you have your ID?
I do.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna let you go right here. Are you gonna pull it out?
It's right here.
Why don't you grab it? Excellent. All I'm gonna do is run your information.
That's
All
fine.
right?
Thank you.
I'm letting you go.
Please.
All right, let's cooperate.
Let's
Let's not do what. Let's.
Please.
But let's
Please.
not do what we
I
just
love her
did.
so much. She doesn't even know it.
But that's, you know, love is crazy.
I
but-
know.
But you can't come out acting
I
like
know.
that. Okay?
I know.
You know you messed up.
I didn't mess
When
up.
we told you don't go up there, and you still charged up there. You can't do that.
I know.
All right? So you know.
All right, officer.
I wanted you to
Sorry.
stay here. We would have
I
got you
know.
home. You know, we would have
You're
taken
right.
care of you.
You're right.
But no.
You're right. 100%.
Can I at least like get my phone and shit
We
from
will
my
get that
car?
before you leave. Yes.
I don't care. Like, well, this is fucked up. And you know it is.
Absolutely not.
How?
We don't need to sit here and debate. You can take that all to court.
I'll go to jail for her.
Well, you're going to jail for you.
I'll go to
She's
jail.
going to jail for her.
What am I going to jail for?
For obstructing an arrest. Because when you charge an arrest like that after I told you to stay in your car, that's against the law. Also, you're intoxicated. Being
I'm not
intoxicated.
intoxicated. I'll do whatever I have to do to prove that.
You got a phone case.
Yep, with my phone.
No, you got this phone.
Yeah, that's not my phone.
Okay, that's her phone?
No,
Excellent.
it's
I
not
think your
even-
phone might be in your pocket.
Who cares, right?
No, I mean, we're going to make sure you got everything. Buddy, we're not going to act like this, okay?
I'm trying to get in your fucking car.
Well,
so-
now we're going to wait for a female. So
Alright, let's get a fucking female.
she's on the way. Stop.
Then let me the
walking.
fuck go.
Stop walking away.
Let me go then, dog.
There's nothing to let
Let
go.
me go then.
Not when you guys
let
have been
me the
not
fuck
when
go
you've been
then.
resisting.
I'm not resisting
You
nothing,
have been.
dog.
You have.
My shit are in things, baby.
I'm not your baby.
Oh,
She's intoxicated. You're intoxicated. That's the
I'm not
problem.
intoxicated. I don't know why you guys keep saying that. I'm emotional. I'm a Scorpio. I'm fucking emotional. That's like the love of my life.
Please let me the fuck go. He's like hurting me.
Will you stop
He's
resisting?
fucking hurting
Stop
me.
resisting him, ma'am.
I'm not.
resisting.
A woman
Stop.
fucking moves and you fucking hurt me?
Ma'am,
Nah, dude.
Ma'am.
Fuck you. And
ma'am,
yes, sir.
calm down.
I'm calm.
All right, so let me just do circles like this.
No, I want you to, you're going to stand. Buddy, stop.
I just want
Stop.
circles.
No, we're not doing circles.
I'm about to do circles for the.
You're not going to do circles. You're going to stay right here. I mean, if you're going to act like
You
this.
feel better?
No,
you
we're
feel
just.
better about yourself?
No. Do you?
I feel like you do.
No, absolutely.
Ooh, I feel like you do.
You're ridiculous. You can just stay like that.
Yeah.
Stop. Will you stop?
Will you stop?
Turn around.
Would you stop?
Hey, give me some help over here. Quit trying to kick me.
Hold on there. I got it.
Knock it off. Knock it off. You want to play that game?
Let me just see
But she's resisted again. She's battered a cop.
Keep playing games. You're gonna end up getting tased.
Put her in that car right now.
You need to knock it off right now.
I'm not doing shit. If you have a
Moving.
daughter, you
Knock
have a
it off.
daughter?
You need to knock it off
You have a
right now.
daughter?
It doesn't matter.
Is she in that car?
What's that?
Put her in that car.
All right. Come on. Take a seat. Take a seat.
Give me a hobble.
All right, Juan, I got her. You got it? Yeah, I got the legs down.
Hey, let's do a quick pat on her real quick while she's on the ground. We're having trouble with her.
That's crazy. I would never.
We got another one in the car there.
Do you have anything on you? He's gonna poke me, stick me, hurt me. What?
I don't. I'm helping you. How about that?
I appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Put that in your report. Nothing.
Roll towards me.
Oh my god. Am I fucking pig?
She's just patting you down, that's all.
I have nothing.
Okay, well, I have to verify that for
I
their
get
safety
you.
and mine, so.
But this guy does not need to be touching me.
Well, unfortunately, he has to, so I'm gonna pick
Well,
up
I
the
don't
property,
feel comfortable.
and you're gonna follow their orders, and I'm gonna stay right here, alright?
I followed your orders.
Just bend at the waist.
I don't want him touching me.
Alright,
bend at
bend
the
at the
waist for
waist
me.
like he asked.
Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use my hands and start standing up, all right? So push your weight against my hand, and we'll stand up. 1, 2, 3. Stand up.
Come on.
All right, now let's get those handcuffs back. You're gonna put your right hand above your head.
My right hand on my head.
Yes.
Okay.
Hold, thank you. Pull them back. Go ahead and pull those back. We'll take that one off momentarily.
Bring it around.
Thank you.
Yo, I didn't do anything to any of y'all.
Quit trying to kick me.
Yeah, I got a hobble on her because she was kicking.
Who's kicking? Yo, you guys are fucking liars.
You saw her
That's
kick?
crazy.
Oh, absolutely. Put her over in your car. DUI and resisting, and then resisting and battery LEO.
Yeah, public and tox also.
That's so crazy. You don't know it?
No, I just got here.
Oh, you don't want to cooperate?
We're gonna walk this way.
I'm not going without my shoes.
We're gonna put the shoe on when we get over there. Come on.
You guys are fucking so stupid.
I had her cuffed behind her back. She kept trying to get off the car. Had to put her down. I don't know how she did it. She maneuvered, pushed me back. We went to the ground. She kicked me, and then she got her cuffs in the front.
And then when we're done with her, I need you to pat down the other one.
Can we see the seat?
I don't know. Can you see my shoe?
We're gonna
I
grab your
can't see
shoe.
Could you? So why haven't you done it?
Because we're gonna grab it. Now, go ahead and sit down.
All right. I'm not going in until I get my shoe. Feel like a fucking dog. Give me a fucking shoe.
Put your foot in there. Quit kicking me.
Give me a fucking shoe, you stupid
Get back in the car. You got it?
Yep.
Alright, back up now.
We got that thing?
Yeah, the hobble's on her.
Where's the fucking lady cop?
She's right here. Relax.
Hey, you don't move.
Where's the lady cop?
Hey, you
Where's
don't-
the lady cop?
Put your leg in the car.
I'm
Put your leg
good.
in the car.
Okay, I will. Where's the lady cop?
Zip it
Where?
down.
No, you're not. Your man. Where's the lady cop?
Yeah,
Where the
she's-
fuck is the lady cop? You're not a lady cop. Where's the lady
She's
cop? Where the fuck is the lady
I'm
cop?
right behind him. Can you stop yelling? Alright, I'm here. You good?
The fuck? Yes. All right. I need my phone. I need my shit.
Okay, we'll get it in a minute. Hop out for me. Watch your step. Yep, there you go. Oop, careful. Come this way.
I'm here. I'm here.
Face the car. Face the car. There you go. Spread your feet as wide as you can without falling. Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt
No,
me,
ma'am.
blow me up, anything silly? Alright.
If she continues, I might have to stop in your jurisdiction to hobble.
This officer accurately anticipated the suspect's actions, as she managed to slip out of her handcuffs while being transported to jail.
She got him in front of her.
She took him out, and she's just like, I'm not handcuffed.
Completely?
Yeah, she's got one on.
What we'll do is we'll go for an arm bar, pull her out, use the door as a guide, put her against the car, and then bring her in.
Sounds good.
Just head that to work.
Why are you escaping out of handcuffs? Step out, step out, step out.
Step out, step out, step out, step out. Get out!
You're escaping out of handcuffs.
Why are you being mean? God
Someone have a handcuff key?
Yep,
Yeah.
come to you.
We tried to let you step out
Give me
on
some
the
light.
accord.
Give me some light. You gonna act like a normal human being?
You have a daughter?
Well, my daughter would know how to act.
Let's check this other one, make sure her wrists aren't going to get hurt here.
They're already fucking hurt. Don't
Got it.
push me.
I can fist.
Hold still. We're going to move him so I don't pinch you,
We're not
okay?
trying to hurt you, we're just trying to keep you from pulling out again.
Go ahead and have a seat. Can you bring your feet towards me, please?
No, I don't need that.
Yes, ma'am. All right. Go ahead and put your feet back inside, please. Nice and easy so you don't hurt yourself. Not meant for comfort, just to let you know.
Good job, good job.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Around 3 hours later, an officer questions one of the suspects about an item found in her possession.
I gotta ask you something, but before we go into that, I do have to advise you of your rights before I can ask you any other questions. So you have the right to remain silent. Are you willing to speak with me with that? Knowing your rights? Okay. In your little makeup thing in the purse, they found a pill. Okay, it's a little blue one or whatnot. When we check it, it's a Xanax pill. What's up with the pill being in the purse?
What?
The Xanax pill that we found in your purse. You have a prescription for it?
You kidding? No, I don't.
So you're saying she put that in here?
No, it's in my possession, but it's not mine. So
I got you. I just wanted to clear it up because it was found in your purse. That's all. I just wanted to make sure I didn't misunderstand anything. Especially if you had a prescription for it, I wanted to make sure.
no, I don't.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it. Do you have any questions for me? No? All right. Thank you.
Drunk driving arrest, a costly mistake. Imagine you're out with friends after a long week, enjoying drinks, but no one keeps track of how many you've had. You know you're in no condition to drive, yet you still get behind the wheel. The worst part? Others in the car also failed to act responsibly. In this case, police stopped a woman after she ran a red light, nearly causing an accident. When questioned, she bizarrely handed over her dental insurance instead of her license. Refusing a sobriety test, she gave officers enough reason to arrest her. As the officer placed her in handcuffs, her passenger also got involved, stumbling and falling to the ground, clearly intoxicated. While the driver initially remained calm, she soon resisted arrest, forcing officers to escort her to the cruiser. Meanwhile, the passenger also resisted, even kicking officers while being placed in the car. Later at the jail, the driver's breathalyzer test showed an extremely high blood alcohol level, 279 and 281 BAC, far beyond the legal limit. She received multiple charges, including heavy checkmark DUI, heavy checkmark running a red light, heavy checkmark no proof of insurance, heavy checkmark disorderly intoxication, heavy checkmark resisting arrest, with and without violence, heavy checkmark battery on a peace officer. Her passenger was also charged with heavy checkmark battery on a peace officer, heavy checkmark resisting arrest, with and without violence, heavy checkmark disorderly intoxication. At the jail, the passenger removed her restraints, adding another charge. The lesson? Drinking and driving can ruin your life. A single night of fun can lead to arrest, legal trouble, and expensive fines. If you've been drinking, take an Uber, call a friend, or find another way home, just don't drive. Both women remain innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Thanks for watching. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Police Insight for more real-life crime stories, legal breakdowns, and shocking cases. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.